How to fix TaTa Docomo SIM not showing network problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix TaTa Docomo SIM not showing network problem. So guys, we have 5 steps for this, and the 5th steps will be the beneficial steps for you. So please watch till the end. So let's get started. Let's go to the phone settings. And then guys, you can see here aeroplane mode. Just enable the aeroplane mode here, and then you have to restart your phone and reopen the device. The problem will be solved. Now guys, the second step is, you can see here dual SIM and cellular network. Click on dual SIM and cellular network, and you have to select your SIM here, and then you can see here carrier option. On the last option, you can see here carrier. Click on carrier, and then the network will be on searching process, and you'll find an option, and you have to select an option. The problem will be solved here. And the third option is, third is, you have to go to your additional settings. You can see here additional settings. Click on additional settings and go to the backup and reset option. You can see here backup and reset. Click on backup and reset, and then just press on reset to factory settings. You can see here on the last option, click here, and then guys, keep in mind that you have to click on reset system settings only, not in the clear all data. So you have to click on reset system settings only. So guys, now you have to enter your password and restart your phone and reopen your device. The problem will be solved. And the fourth step is, go back to your settings and go to software updates. Click on software updates, and then you have to see whether there is anything for the update. You have to update it and restart your phone and reopen your device. The problem will be solved. And guys, the fifth steps is, you have to call to your customer care, TaTa Docomo customer care, and then you have to consult with them, because sometimes the network gets dissolved itself. This is how you can fix your TaTa Docomo SIM not showing network problem. Thanks for watching.